much. It's rain, thunder, and lightning. We get the major brunt of it coming at us right now.
Mm-hmm.
Grapes. Oh, shit, man.
I have to say, I have never seen so much lightning at one time in my entire life.
Mm-hmm. Pretty bright. Light up the whole damn sky, man. Jesus. I don't see any single flash of lightning. It's just the whole damn sky is lit up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, there's a good one.
Whoa. Whoa, there's another one.
Mm-hmm.
Poor Hal sitting out in the guard shack in all of this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Probably enjoying it, huh?
Probably. Knowing him.
You gotta enjoy it when you have a nice weather like this. Jesus. Rather.